How to do bicycle crunches. Effective core exercise. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic core exercise that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Here's how you can perform them effectively. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head, elbows pointing outwards. Execution. Lift your legs off the ground, bending them at a 90-degree angle. Simultaneously, bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Engagement. Focus on engaging your core throughout the movement to maximize effectiveness. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and inhale as you return to the starting position. Repetition. Aim for controlled repetitions, starting with a comfortable number and gradually increasing as you build strength. Incorporating bicycle crunches into your routine helps strengthen your abdominal muscles, improve core stability, and enhance overall fitness. Remember to maintain proper form to avoid strain and get the most out of this exercise.